Oh hey, welcome back to this show on my YouTube channel where I talk about pop culture stuff that I'm really into. So hi, welcome my internet humans. Misty here to talk about my obsession with X Factor. X Factor Season 2 USA version going on right now, and I'm totally obsessed, and I'm going to tell you why, because it's an outrageous show. From the new judges, of course, Britney Spears, Demi Lovato. Of course, they went all out over the top with that. Britney Spears is actually doing really well in the live shows. She keeps her comments short and to the point. She doesn't go on tangents or get herself into any trouble, so you have to wonder what kind of medication is she on. And Demi, she's only 20 years old and she's being a coach and a mentor to people that are older than her. Of course, she has the young adults group, so they're not that much older than her, but still being mentored by someone that's your age is kind of weird. But she's sassy and she fights with Simon Cowell, and I love it. And there's this weird chemistry between them going on, and you're not really sure what it's about. Like, it's almost like they're flirting, and that's weird because this isn't Simon like 45. I actually don't know how old he is, but still, it's weird. So they have outrageous judges. Of course, L.A. Reid is back and Simon is back, the two new gals, and the hosts. I understand why you hired Mario Lopez. He hosts Extra TV with Maria Menounos. Why would you hire Khloe Kardashian? Odom is now her new name. Why would you hire her? I really wanted to like her. I wanted her to do a good job. As co-hosts, they're awful. I'm sorry. I hope she never sees this. Sorry, Khloe. I love you. Khlo Money, she said that's her alter ego, like Sasha Fierce, but she's not good. Like, she asks funny questions because she doesn't know that you're not supposed to. Like, there's no filter for her. She's not a host. She's never been trained. When she reads the teleprompter, she goes into this high voice and it's totally awkward and you can tell she's reading it, and I just want to cry many times. Hi, Simon, why don't you hire me to be Mario's co-host? Me and him would do great together. I wouldn't tower over him like she does. She's pretty tall. I know she can't help that, but she does wear high heels and she's taller than Mario. So now, back to why this is outrageous and why I love X Factor. Season 2, the performances. Okay, it's down to the top 10 right now. The performances every week on the live show are just outrageous, over the top. Backup dancers in crazy outfits, Lady Gaga inspired costumes for the singers themselves, stage production, lights, music, oh my gosh, there's even crazy mashups. This one hip-hop group, Lyric 145, that just got eliminated, they do mashups of crazy songs like Mary Poppins, Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. The week that they got eliminated, they sang a Katy Perry song mixed with a Queen song. So they go all out, and it doesn't really showcase their singing, which kind of sucks because this is a singing show, but their performances are totally out there, something you would see at like the VMAs. So I love watching the show just to see what happens and what Simon will say or who he'll be mean to next. But now, speaking of Simon, another reason why I love X Factor and why it's totally gone to a whole nother level recently. For Clever Music, I was able to go to a live taping of X Factor last week for the first time, which I've been wanting to do so badly. Of course, I live in LA. Sometimes I get to go to tapings. It's so much fun. I love it. I don't take it for granted. So I was able to go, and I was actually able to interview the hosts and the judges after the show, and that was the best part. I got to talk to Demi Lovato. She wasn't happy the night I talked to her, so she was kind of not the best, but talking to Simon was a highlight of my life so far, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. He was so nice, genuinely nice, sassy and honest and nice, which I think is why I liked him so much, because he gave me real answers. He didn't give me two-word answers. He elaborated, he was funny, and he was real. I mean, obviously, you know, Simon Cowell was real. He also complimented my outfit, and we had many moments. He revealed some things to me that he even lied about on TV. So I said he was honest, and then I said he lied, so I know that's kind of confusing. But anyways, I love Simon. If you're watching, I love you. Can you hire me to be your social media correspondent on X Factor, maybe? I know you already have some people that do like a pre-show on xfactor.com, but like, you should really hire me. I'm a huge fan. I love reality singing shows, especially X Factor. I hope you guys are tuning in. It's every Wednesday and Thursday night on Fox. Yeah, this is not an advertisement for X Factor. I just really like it. I'm a huge fan. So let me know if you like X Factor, or do you think American Idol's better? They're both on Fox, which is so weird. Of course, Simon used to be on Idol, now he's on X Factor. Leave me a comment, weigh in below. X Factor? Idol? You choose. Bye guys, thanks for watching my show. It doesn't have a name, it's just my show. Bye.